Hey y'all, Sunday dinner. So I got some cauliflower carrots, rice, and I made me some okra with the skinless, boneless chicken thighs in it. And I got me some jiffy cornbread here. I also had some field peas with snap beans. That's really good. I think it's the it's a can, y'all. Actually, I heated it up in the microwave. And the star today, neck bones with gravy. Y'all, look. You do not have to add all that. And look, I do use it. I do use like the Lipton onion soup and the brown gravy mix and all that. For these neck bones, all you do is season them. Put onion, how I do. Onion, bell pepper, and chopped garlic. I usually use fresh, but the chop is just as good. And when you get ready to cook it, you just sprinkle your little flour. I'm sorry I didn't show it, but you sprinkle a little flour. And as it cooks, you stir it up in that flour. And that's where your gravy. I don't like all that other. I like the gravy. See how thin that gravy is? And that's actually the liquor off of the meat. So much better. When you start adding all that too much flour. And somebody told me one time my gravy looked like soup. No, it's not soup. But it's actually more of the liquor from the meat than all the extra water and flour and all the other stuff. But I hope y'all can see it because it may be a little dark. But really, really good. But I'm eating the okra. Nobody here eats it but me. So it's going to be my lunch for a couple of days. And I may end up having to freeze some. My daughter loves it. And so she'll be this weekend. So I'll freeze her some. All right, y'all. Much love. Talk to y'all later. Bye.
I feel the love. I feel it growing every day. I feel the love. I feel the love. I hope it never goes away.